Welcome to this step-by-step setup guide for the HP ScanJet Pro 2600 F1 scanner. In this video, I will show you how to install, connect, and configure your scanner quickly and correctly, even if this is your first time setting it up. So let's get started. Step 1. First, place your scanner on a flat and stable surface. Make sure the location is well ventilated, dust-free, away from direct sunlight, and within a temperature range of 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. Proper placement improves performance and increases the life of your scanner. Step 2. Now, carefully remove the scanner from the box. Remove all protective tapes, plastic covers, packing foam, and internal transport materials. Make sure nothing remains inside the scanner before moving to the next step. Step 3. Next, connect the power cable to the power adapter. Then, plug the adapter into a wall outlet or surge protector. Important note: always use the original power cable that came with your scanner to avoid damage. After connecting the power cable, plug it into the back of the scanner. Now, press the power button to turn on the scanner. Once powered on, the green LED indicator will light up. Step 4. Now it's time to connect your scanner to your computer. If you are using Windows, do not connect the USB cable yet. Wait until the software installation asks you to connect it. If you are using macOS, connect the USB cable immediately between the scanner and your computer. This ensures the setup process runs smoothly. Step 5. Now, open your computer browser. Go to www.hp.com/support. Search for HP ScanJet Pro 2600 F1. Then select Software and Drivers. Download the latest software for your operating system. Once downloaded, open the installation file, follow the on-screen instructions, accept the agreement, and continue the setup process. When prompted, choose the connection type, USB connection. Then connect the USB cable if requested. Wait until installation completes. After installation finishes, your scanner is ready to use. Now, load a document into the automatic document feeder. Open HP Scan software on your computer. Click Scan. Your first scan should now complete successfully. And next, Troubleshooting Quick Tips. If your scanner is not detected during setup, try these steps. Restart the scanner, restart your computer, reconnect the USB cable, reinstall the scanner software. These steps solve most setup issues quickly. And that's it! Your HP ScanJet Pro 2600 F1 scanner setup is now complete and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer and scanner setup guides. If you still need help with installation, driver download, or scanner errors, you can contact our support team anytime. Our experts are ready to assist you. Thanks for watching.